Welcome to this meditation. Start by finding a comfortable seat, somewhere that you feel supported. Begin by closing down the eyes and settling into your environment. Begin to deepen your breath and tune into your inner landscape. Begin to bring awareness to the natural ebb and flow of your breath. Watch as the breath moves through the body. Notice as the body moves with the breath. Continue to breathe deeply. Bring awareness to your body. Start to scan from the top of your head through your entire body down to your feet. As you scan through your body, become aware of any areas of tension and tightness. And as you do so, invite these areas of the body to soften and relax. Start by relaxing the muscles in the face. Soften the shoulders, arms. Soften the belly. Allow yourself to relax even further into your seat. Know that you are held. You are supported. Take a deep breath into your belly. Fill the belly with breath. Feel it expand. Exhale all the air from the belly. Feel yourself empty out. Continue to breathe in and out from your belly. Watch as the breath takes up space. And notice what sensations arise as you let go with each exhale. Take a deep breath into your belly and take the breath into the rib cage. Feel the ribs expand outwards. Exhale from the rib cage and then the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs. Exhale, ribs, belly. Feel yourself fill up from the belly all the way up to the rib cage. Feel yourself empty out from the rib cage down to your belly. Take a deep breath into your belly, ribs, and all the way into the upper chest. Exhale from the upper chest, ribs, and the belly. Inhale, belly, ribs, upper chest. Exhale, upper chest, ribs, belly. Continue to watch the breath as it moves through the body. Notice how the body moves with the breath. Allow yourself to relax even further into your environment. Begin to bring your awareness to the mind. I invite you to set a mantra for this meditation. Your mantra can begin with I, and it follows with whatever you would like the focus for this meditation to be. For example, I am rested. I am restored. Take a moment to let your mantra come to you. Continue to breathe deeply. If nothing is coming up, you can simply use the mantra, I am loved. Begin to repeat your mantra silently in your mind. Allow it to be the centering thought. Let go of your mantra. Begin to deepen your breath. Expand your awareness outside of your body into the space that surrounds you. Bring your awareness to your environment, the space beneath you, the space supporting you. Feel this sense of support as you slowly start to bring awareness to your body. Begin to find small movements in the hands, gradually bringing the body back to a sense of aliveness. Take a deep breath in. A long exhale out. When you feel ready, open your eyes, come back to your space. Namaste.